Greetings from Årsta Havsbad in Haninge on this 28th of July 2024. So Årsta Havsbad is one of the most popular beaches in Stockholm, and it's a huge sandy beach with two nice jetties to swim in. And I am now on the more peaceful part of the beach. But however, there are not that many visitors today here in Årsta Havsbad because there is recommendation against bathing because of the algae that are blooming right now. But I have seen some people swimming anyway, and I'm gonna do it as well, as I have been doing it on wild beaches already that had some algae on. So I think I am good for it to try it on. So this is the end of the beach actually, and I'm gonna be walking with you to the main part of the beach as I'm going to show you. So this beach is located in Haninge, and you can take here the bus from Haninge 846 towards Årsta Slot. And yes, this is obviously the Baltic Sea. And now we are approaching the main part of the beach. That's quite huge, and the few times I have been here it was always overcrowded, but not today. And here I'm gonna show you the sign that says that it's currently ALGAE blooming, and it says to never drink the water from the sea. Who does that anyway? Don't let the children bathe or play on the beach, and it is not recommended to swim on this beach, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Yes, this is how the beach looks like, the main part at least, and I'm heading now to jump from the 3-meter platform on the sea. Here we can see also some sponsors for the beach. And yes, I'm now on the Årsta Havsbad jetty, and let's then go in for a dive in the sea, despite the recommendation not to swim due to the algae blooming. All right, let's then head on as I'm showing you the beauty of the Årsta Havsbad. And on this part it says diving is forbidden because it is too shallow, and it's quite a nice beach indeed. So here is the diving board, and I'm jumping from the highest one, obviously. Quite nice view from up here. All right, then let's jump. Let's go. All right. I hope I didn't drink any of the water because of the algae, obviously. But it was hard to miss that when you go down and dive from that height, obviously. So let me just keep my head above the water for now. But yeah, Årsta Havsbad, and a dive from here, from the diving board. Indeed. Alright, now let's swim a bit more here at Årsta Havsbad, as I am enjoying here the day out on the beach. Amazing. Let's swim now. So yes, Årsta Havsbad, as I mentioned, is located in Haninge, and today we have 21 degrees Celsius both in the air and in the sea. So it's quite convenient, and as you have seen, not so many people swim today, but otherwise it is super full here on a normal sunny day when there are no algae. And yes, I have been here before already this year, and I have been here many times last year and before that. It's quite convenient also to come here by bicycle. I have done that many times, as it is 30 kilometers exactly from my home, so it's a nice tour with the bicycle. Today I came in with the public transport, obviously, and it's around 1 hour travel time from my home, and you can get here if you're coming from the center of Stockholm. You need to take the pendeltåg, the train, towards Haninge, and then you can take a bus that runs every half an hour to Årsta Havsbad. It's bus number 846. So yeah, that's a wrap then from this beach adventure from Årsta Havsbad today, 28th of July. This is the number 107. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.